Are you thinking about sanding your whole wall, your whole ceiling? It's a huge project, but you want to do it in a fast and easy and efficient and professional way so that you can get rid of all the old texture, the old paint, so that you can make this room brand new again? Well, stay tuned. I got a great product that I can show you that can make that job go fast. Welcome to Fix This House. If you're new to the channel, consider pressing the subscribe and notification bell so you can always be in tune on DIYs, how-to videos, and product reviews that I do within this channel. This is one of the rooms that we are renovating. As you can see, everything's still a mess. If you look at the walls, everything's getting torn down, retextured. All the old texture from the walls have to be taken out. And this is one of the rooms that we are focusing on. This is one of the guest rooms that we are just gutting, replacing the piping from upstairs. The texture on this room is a little bit big. We don't like the texture on here, and the paint needs to go. We need to sand everything back to the original way of the drywall. But we don't want to go and take our time and do this by hand. I have this great product for you that I want to show, and let's do an unboxing first. Let me introduce to you this drywall sander. This drywall sander that I want to introduce to you today is by Intercraft. If you want this exact same one that I'll be using on this video today, here are all the specs. If you're interested on this and you find this product right here or this drywall sander useful and you like it, I'll leave the link on the description down below to check this same product that I used today. Comes with its own carrying bag with the hose, extension here, flips like this, lock it in place. The motor, the on and off switch right there. If you look around here, it has LED lights all around. It's got brushes and bristles right around the diameter of this thing. So here's that extension. You can extend it all the way to that max mark. Just lock it in place. We're gonna attach the hose onto the extraction tube extension. Just place it in, twist it to the right, counterclockwise, and it should be locked in place. With your dust collector on the other end, use the dust collecting bag that's provided for you. But for heavily textured rooms, let's say you're working with popcorn ceilings, and that's a lot of texture that needs to be removed, highly suggest that you connect it with the vacuum. And Intercraft does provide all the adapters on for your shop vacuum. So this is great that Intercraft does provide you with attachments. If you have a heavy texture, move on to preparation by using the 120, the higher grit, which is the 240, which is pretty much the fine finish. It just looks like a regular orange peel, not too much. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna knock it down with 80. Maybe I could start with 80, but I wanna start down probably with let's try 120 first. And if that doesn't work, then we can go and grit down to 80 grit. So let's start off with 120 first. It's a pretty cool feature that Intercraft put on their tool. See this, the bottom? They have a little tripod at the very bottom right here that protects the hose from getting kinked when you set it upright like this. So when you're changing out your disc, you can actually lay it on the floor and it acts as a stand. Now we're going to take our 120 grit, flip it over, and we are going to align it to the circle center of the sanding disc. It's actually a pad that conforms to the texture. See, notice I can move my fingers like this, and that's pretty cool. They provided with cool goggles. How to provide your own respirator. I'm just gonna use this dust mask before we start. Bright LED lights all around it like a UFO, because once you're touching the wall, you can definitely see what you're sanding. Notice how you can automatically see more of the details of the texture. You definitely want to see what you're sanding if you've gone over too much or too little. It's a lot bigger than what I've expected now that it's fully lit. Push start button. Go right there. Control the suction of how much that you want this to suck up the dust. So you can go all the way to minimum. Here's a pretty cool feature as well that I want to show you. It's very minimal, but it's very helpful. Let's say that you're sanding up above the ceiling and you want to keep it in an upright position like this. You want to take these provided on this hoop right here, and it stretches and it hooks just like this. There we go. So now it keeps it in an upright position. There you go. Now you can use this shoulder strap accordingly to how you want to use it or strap it. Ergonomically, it's pretty cool. I mean, when I have it in an upright position like this, most of the weight is being distributed to my body, so I'm not feeling fatigue. All I'm doing is supporting the weight on my left side. Once it touches the wall like this, most of the weight has been gone. This way is fastest. To slower down the speed, just toggle it to the right, like so. So notice how it's going slower. And like that. Pretty much ate through all that texture. And notice how if you focus on it too long, this is what you're gonna get. You're gonna get something like this where it eats away right through the drywall. So you don't want to get too aggressive with it, but notice how here's the texture before, and this is where it ran and smoothed it out. So again, if you go too much, it will eat through the drywall like that. So you want to find the right speed for you and the grit. If you're going to do the ceiling, you're going to go run it just like this all the way around to the smoothness that you prefer. And the dust is being controlled real well and being fed inside this bag right here. So again, if you are using heavy texture, if you're getting rid of popcorn ceilings or heavy stuff, I highly suggest that you use a vacuum, a HEPA vacuum, and not go with this one. I did this wall and it took less than 2 minutes and I already got this much covered. Again, you want to control the variable, the speed. There's so many options and settings on this thing that can make you do that. And this light definitely makes it super easy to see the texture and where you're working and make it so that you know that you actually went over it and you're not overdoing a certain area. Okay, so again, you want to do it, take it nice and slow. Start off with the slow speed. Use the various grit sandpapers according to what your needs are. Say you're doing popcorn ceiling, you want to start with the 80, up to you. Attach it to a HEPA vacuum if you're doing massive or big areas work, just like what I'm doing here, which I think I will be going with the HEPA vacuum. Again, friends, let me know in the comment section down below what you think of this product. Out of the drywall sanders that I've used in the past, I think this far beats all of them. It has all the great features on it. Very easy to use, not as heavy as well, and it has this pretty cool feature up and down right here. Very strong motor and vacuum as well. As you can see, I'm not covered with dust at all. The vacuum is working very, very well. And again, friends, if you're interested on this product, make sure you get it before Black Friday. I think they're having a Black Friday sale in a craft, so check out the link on the description down below. Check that out. And if you found this video super helpful, friends, please hit that big thumbs up, press the subscribe notification bell, and I'll see you, friends, on the next video.